Hey guys, so if you've been hit with the error retrieving frame glitch in Adobe Premiere Pro, then stick around because in this video I've got the most up-to-date solutions to help you tackle this annoying issue. It usually crops up when you're trying to export your files or projects, but it can occur due to a whole host of issues. But anyway, let's dive in to see how you can get rid of this annoying problem. So one of the main reasons this issue can occur is due to underpowered computer systems when working with H.264 variable frame rate files. So what you can do if your computer does lack the power and system requirements is come over to File, Project Settings, and then General. And then you want to make sure that Software Only is selected and then press OK. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create proxies for our media files, which is essentially a low resolution version of our original file that is easier for our computers to handle when we are editing. So from the project window here, you want to select all of the files that you want to create proxies of, and then just right click and select proxy and then create proxies. In this new window you can select the codec, either H.264 or QuickTime. I'm going to use QuickTime, and then in presets you select the one that's best for you, and I'm just going to select medium resolution proxy. Obviously the lower the resolution, the less resources on your computer required. And then just come over and click OK. Now Adobe Media Encoder will start to launch up and render the video proxies immediately. This could take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on the length and size of your footage. Once all of the exports are done, the proxy files will automatically be linked in Adobe Premiere Pro, so you can go ahead and now close the media encoder. And as you can see here, the file is now linked to our proxy. Now if you're still experiencing issues, then the next step is to delete any existing media cache. You can do this nice and quickly by heading over to Preferences, in Edit, Preferences, and selecting Media Cache. And then just select delete and then press OK. Another proven solution is to find the clip that is causing the problem in the timeline and right clicking the clip and selecting reveal in project. Then double click the footage from the project window, which will make it appear in this big screen here. Now you can right click the image and select properties. And on this screen you want to make sure that there is nowhere that says the text variable frame rate, which will usually appear at the bottom down here. If your clip does have a variable frame rate, then you can fix this by downloading a tool called Handbrake. I will add a link to Handbrake in the description below. Once you have downloaded and opened up the Handbrake app, then head back over to Adobe Premiere Pro and then right click your clip and select Reveal in Explorer. And now what you want to do is you want to drag that clip over to the Handbrake app. And then from here go to the Video tab and make sure Constant Frame Rate is selected. And then you want to change the constant quality to 23 for the highest quality. And then finally you want to select where to save your clip. I'm just going to leave it as the default. And then select Start Encode. Once your clip's finished encoding, you can re-upload it to Adobe Premiere Pro. This should have now solved the issue. If not, you can try updating the app in the Adobe Creative Cloud app. From the Creative Cloud app, you want to come over to Apps, and then make sure that all of the apps are up to date. So you can see here there's an update available. So I'm just going to click that and update to the latest version. Thanks for watching, and if you're still experiencing Premiere Pro issues, then leave a comment below and I'll try to respond to you for any additional assistance.